Maxkamad ku taala magaalada Minneapolis ayaa shalay dambi ku heshay laba gabdhood oo Soomaali ah oo la kala yiraahdo Aamina Faarax Cali iyo Xaawo Maxamed Xasan. Dambiyada gabdhaha lagu helay wuxuu ahaa in ay lacag u direen Al-Shabaab. Dowladda Mareykanka Al-Shabaab waxay u aqoonsan tahay urur argagixiso ah sida Al-Qaeda oo kale. Maxkamaddii ay dacwada ka socotay waxaa yimid Soomaali badan oo taageersan gabdhaha. Qaar ka mid ah taageerayaasha gabdhaha waxay ii sheegeen in dambiyada gabdhaha lagu eedeeyay aysan waxba ka jirin. Waxay igu yiraahdeen waxay ahaayeen gabdho wanaagsan oo caawinayay ilmo agoon ah oo Soomaaliya ku dhibaataysan. Qareenada dowladda Mareykanka oo aan waraystay waxay yiraahdeen sida tan.
The first question I have is many in the community believe that the women are innocent. What would you say to those people?
Well, today the jury, after listening to 2 weeks of testimony, found that the government had proven its case beyond a reasonable doubt. That's the highest level of proof in the American justice system. Also, I think it's important to note that both women had two of the most talented attorneys representing them in the District of Minnesota. And of course, they began the trial with the presumption of innocence, and the burden was on the government to prove their guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. The judge made sure that the jury understood that that was the burden. The jury did understand that, and they returned a verdict of guilty.
They said that they were doing humanitarian work, and many in the community believe that that's what they were doing, and the amount that they were sending, $8,000, many in the community believe it's not a larger amount to support in a terror organization. What would you say to those people?
Well, what we proved at trial was that there was at least $8,600 that was sent as a result of this conspiracy to Al-Shabaab. The other money that we proved up during the trial was probably another $7,000 or so in total. The law says that you can send no money to Al-Shabaab, and the jury found that both women knew that that was the law and that they violated the law despite their knowledge. So it's not the amount of money that matters, it's the principle that no money whatsoever can be sent to Al-Shabaab.
I think one of the claim was that the women didn't know that the Al-Shabaab was designated as a terror group when they were sending the money. So if someone sends money to an organization before they were designated as a terror group, are they guilty of any crime?
In order to convict in this case, the jury had to find either that both defendants knew that Al-Shabaab was designated as a foreign terrorist organization, or that they knew that Al-Shabaab engaged in terrorist activity. We argued that we proved both aspects, both knowledge of the designation and knowledge of the terroristic activity. The jury was instructed that they had to conclusively find beyond a reasonable doubt one or both of those factors, and the verdict today shows that they did conclude that the defendants had the requisite knowledge.
Since they are convicted today, what's going to happen next? When does the sentence hearing is going to start?
No date was set for sentencing today, but typically in the federal system it takes about 3 to 4 months before sentencing. And during that time, the probation office will prepare what's called a pre-sentence report, which is designed to get all the relevant factual background and information about both defendants. And after that is done, then both parties get to read that and make any objections, and then there will be a date set for sentencing. At that time, the government will make a recommendation, which it does not yet know what it will be, but at that time we'll make a sentencing recommendation.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Xaawo Maxamed Xasan dambiga lagu helay xabsigiisa wuxuu gaari karaa ugu badnaan 31 sano. Aamina Faarax Cali keeda oo ka culus kan Xaawo wuxuu gaari karaa ugu badnaan 195 sano.